Hi, I'm Melanie Canastra,
My name is Kimberly.
Hi, I'm Catherine Tayong,
Grandison nurse.
Grand listeners.
Grandis nurse.
My nursing journey, difficult lang po is wala kaming experience. But then again, Grandison gave us an opportunity to work there without even having that experience needed. So, madali.
For me, it's discrimination of nurses because madami po kasi ng mga agency na they require talaga ng solid experience. So, as a nurse po, wala akong masyadong, although I have a little bit of experience, but I'm not confident na mag-apply. So, very thankful po kay Grandison kasi they give us a lot of nurses na very hopeful na pumunta ng US na walang current experience. They give hope na kayang-kayang pumunta ng US kahit walang experience.
My journey in achieving my American dream is not a walk in the park. There were really challenges, especially in complying with the requirements. I was under 221G due to my police clearance requirements from Canada. But then Grandison helped me in the steps in how to obtain it, and also they just assure me that everything will be okay even if you're under 221G.
There were a couple of times talaga na talagang almost nag-give up ako. But then again, inisip ko na lang na at the end of the line, may naghihintay po sa amin na malaking oportunidad at I'm for sure po, mababago po yung buhay natin. Yun.
I think sa atin naman po lahat, pag meron po tayong gusto sa buhay, dadating po tayo talaga sa time na napapagod tayo kasi mahirap po talaga yung buhay. Pero nakatulong po talaga sa akin yung inspiration ko, which is my family. Kasi from the very beginning, sila po talaga yung parang pinaka-structure ko bakit ako nag-apply or nag-dream na pumunta ng US. And syempre, ginawa ko din inspiration si God na nagbibigay ng, pag napagod, magbibigay ulit ng energy to go on.
I really didn't have any thought of giving up. I just persevere because I just enjoy being here in the Philippines at the moment. And then, so I just took the time to spend it with my family, with my dogs. Yeah, so yeah, that's it.
Of course, una sa lahat, thankful ako sa opportunity na iyon. Kasi hindi lahat mabibigyan ng opportunity na iyon. So, marami ang nagtitingala sa amin kasi nga po, hindi lahat mabibigyan. So, I'm looking forward as well sa opportunity na iyon. And then, blessed as of the moment, blessed ako. Kasi nga po, I already had once yung chance ba. Kasi pangalawa ko na ang Grandison. Hindi ko natuloy yon, but then, Grandison yung nag-recapture sa akin. So, sabi kasi nila, opportunity knocks once, diba? Sa akin twice.
I think for me, USA is a perfect choice kasi parang when it comes sa career naman, alam naman na advanced talaga yung healthcare dun sa USA, which is makakatulong talaga na ma-advance yung career ko as a nurse, and then at the same time may opportunity ako na maging resident, and syempre yung lahat ng mga pwedeng maibigay na benefits nung isang resident dun sa USA is ma-achieve ko na.
I feel really happy and very blessed. I'm so thankful to God that I have this opportunity because not all people will have this opportunity, or not even all nurses will get this opportunity.
I will be forever grateful po sa Grandison dahil si Grandison po yung tumanggap sa akin bilang kung ano po akong nurse, open arms po, walang discrimination. And for me, I will carry in my heart yung gratitude po towards Grandison. And not for me, pati po yung family ko napapasalamat din sa buong Grandison na naging possible po yung ganito po sa buhay namin.
I would say the Grandison is an instrument in achieving my goal or our dream. So I'm really thankful to Grandison.
I will recommend Grandison is because one, maano sila, mabusisi sila sa sa mga requirements. Dapat ma-comply mo to. Minsan na ako, na non-compliance na ako. Na non-compliance ako. Natag ako. It's because may maraming nangyari sa buhay. So, it was, in that year, 4 deaths in a row sa family. So, mahirap talaga siya. But then again, still, maisip ko talaga na ang Grandison, ginawa lang nila ang trabaho din nila na mapadali din tayo.
Absolutely i-recommend ko po. First of all, they don't require kasi nung talagang many years of experience. And for sa experience ko din, very helpful talaga sila compared dun sa ibang agency. The staff are very accommodating. On time talaga on time yung pag-process ng papers. And talagang prepare kami in everything. Pati binild kami yung self-confidence namin during interviews and everything.
I would recommend Grandison to my friends, especially if you don't have any experience, because they will be the one to hone your skills or refresh your knowledge. They make sure that you are ready before they will deploy you. You have to join the geriatric training, the skills training. So everything is really planned out so well with Grandison.